That'll wake up the neighbors.
When you idle it down,
Cam,
pop, 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 pop.
you've got this running as good as it will ever run with this cam.
That's what I thought, but I'm still going to try these.
So.
I'm going to put the Strombergs on it and see if that doesn't correct it, because according to the book, the vacuum that those need, these don't. These actually will idle down without the vacuum pull off the intake that the SUs take.
You
So
could try it, but
you don't think it's going to do no
the
better?
carburetors run there are the best you can get unless you go to Weber's.
Mm-hmm.
The big problem is the cam, and you'll find that out when you put these on. Not going to change it.
Well, this runs wicked, but it's not really as streetable as it could be, right?
That's what he's wanting. He's wanting me to get it where to idle down and drive cushy. But there really is, like Al says, the only way to get it right is to pull that racing cam out, put a stock cam back in where the engine will mellow out.
Yeah, well, this would be great on the track.
Yeah, well, that's what he used it for, from what I'm understanding. Before this gentleman didn't, the man before him did.
I see.
It's a beautiful car.
Wow, that engine just barks.
Did you notice the way the hood, he changed the hood set? It's cut off. See, the hood's cut down.
Right here.
The bottom part.
The bottom part, yeah.
It's squared off. And you got the louvers to cover all the stuff underneath.
Right. Yeah, I noticed that.
That's a new piece of sheet metal underneath there, see?
Yeah, this piece here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's done correctly.
These are 16-inch or 15-inch?
16.
16.
And that's better yet. That's better than the 15.
Yeah, I like the look of the 16s.
They look better. Those are off of AC Ace.
An Asica or an AC?
Yeah. Asica or Ace, either one. That's what they use.
If you're wearing a little bit of oil, then you know that you'd be out of oil. Yep, got the cycle fenders.
Well, that's showing me it's leaking at the front seal.
Are these cycle fenders steel or are they fiberglass?
There's metal.
Metal, yeah. These are super sports, right? These buckets.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, looks like a screaming machine here.
It's a Morgan runabout.
Hey Eric, you wouldn't want to change the engine on something like this. This engine's fine.
Yeah, they're just a bit heavy.
Yeah, it's heavy,
Yeah.
but it'll put out all you can handle with this car.
Yeah, the main thing is, what about his transmission? Does he have a 5-speed?
It's 4-speed.
It's the original Moss 4-speed.
Yeah.
So was it like a 3.7
Yeah,
or?
Morgan Ford. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, you can tell just by the.
5. No, it's 5-speed. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and reverse.
Huh.
So it's got 5-speed in it.
Yeah, that's probably the biggest weakness. From when I'm driving a Morgan, I always reach for that 5th gear, and it's never there.
And then when you drive a Ferrari, you can just go, oh my God.
Yeah, because the engine's willing to go, but if you want to get highway speeds, it's.
Even Derek said that you sold the best Morgan.
Yeah, with
It had
overdrive.
overdrive. That car was just beautiful to
That's
drive.
true. I'd be driving with other Morgans on the highway, Tommy.
I've got 2 overdrives.
And we'd be clicking, everyone's winding up at 75 miles an hour, right? Otherwise their RPMs are just buzzing too high, and I would just click it in overdrive and just take off.
Keep going.
Just keep going and going and going.
It's a torque engine.
Yeah.
I've got 2 overdrives out of Sunbeam. They should
All right.
about mold right to this. They should.